Wind is ripping. Fish on. Not bad, not a dink. If it starts getting... Yep. My drag slipped on him. Not bad. Yeah. My rod out of... Get my reel out the scene. Yeah, not too bad. Oh shit. I about busted ass. I about fell. Oh shit. Damn. Yeah, oh yeah, that's a good one. Oh! Yeah, that's a good one. I don't know, it's pretty big. Stay on, stay on, stay on, stay on. That's a fucking big one. Yeah. Huh? Am I gonna mount it? Hell yeah, it is. Yeah. Damn. He hit the shit out of it, bro. Yeah. 410. 405. Oh. Yep. No. Ski. Come on, do something. Try to swim. Do something. Oh, he's just sitting there. Because I got him in the eye. Gave up. I didn't get him in the eye either. Yep. Look how skinny he is. Current. Oh. What's up, Dan? Yep. Not a bad one. Not bad at all. Oh, it's a good one. You never know, it could make the difference. It felt pretty good. No, it ain't. He's fat. Got red lips. Yup, yup, yup.